Welcome to 1306 Hall Lane in Suisun City, California. My name is Kim Liew, broker associate with RE/MAX Gold Elite, and I'm here to give you a tour of this adorable property. Come on in. This property is built in 2001, 3 bedrooms, 2 bath, 1,924 square feet of living space. This home is located in Liew Ranch Parkway on an 8,084 square feet lot. The yard is fully landscaped with a beautiful succulent garden, rose bushes, and planter boxes with organic vegetables you can grow for your family. Please give me a call if you're interested in touring this home.